From the tiny Roborovski to the gentle Syrian, hamsters may look similar at first glance, but each species has its own unique personality, appearance, and story. Some are perfect family pets, while others are rarely seen outside the wild. Let's explore every major type of hamster and discover what makes each one special. Syrian hamster. The Syrian hamster is the largest and most popular pet hamster in the United States. Native to the dry regions of Syria, it naturally lives alone in underground burrows. Because of its calm personality and friendly nature, it has become a favorite choice for families and first-time pet owners. Syrian hamsters come in many different coat colors and patterns, making each one unique. Campbell's dwarf hamster. The Campbell's dwarf hamster is a tiny species originally found in the grasslands of Central Asia. It is known for its curious personality and endless energy. Some can live with another hamster if they are raised together, but they may still become territorial. Their playful behavior and small size make them a popular choice for people who enjoy watching active pets. Winter white dwarf hamster. The winter white dwarf hamster comes from the cold plains of Siberia and nearby regions. One of its most interesting features is that its fur can become much lighter during the winter, helping it blend into snowy landscapes. Although pet hamsters may not always change color indoors, this natural ability makes the species especially fascinating. They are generally gentle and easy to handle with regular care. Roborovski Hamster. The Roborovski hamster is the smallest pet hamster species and one of the fastest. It comes from the deserts of Mongolia, China, and neighboring areas. These tiny hamsters spend much of their time running, digging, and exploring. Because they move so quickly, they are usually better for watching than holding. Their nonstop activity makes them fun to observe every day. Chinese hamster. The Chinese hamster is native to northern China and Mongolia. Even though it is often grouped with dwarf hamsters because of its size, it belongs to a different branch of the hamster family. It has a longer body and a slimmer appearance than most other hamster species. Chinese hamsters are known for being quiet, intelligent, and surprisingly good climbers. European hamster. The European hamster is the largest wild hamster species in the world. It lives across parts of Europe and Western Asia, where it builds deep burrows and stores food for the winter. Unlike common pet hamsters, this species is rarely kept in homes. Habitat loss and changes in agriculture have caused its population to decline, making conservation efforts more important than ever. Romanian hamster. The Romanian hamster is a rare species found mainly in Romania and nearby parts of Eastern Europe. It looks similar to the winter white dwarf hamster but has its own unique characteristics. Scientists continue to study this species because very little is known about its behavior in the wild. Protecting its natural habitat is important for its long-term survival. Turkish hamster. The Turkish hamster is native to Turkey, Armenia, and nearby regions. It prefers dry grasslands where it digs underground tunnels for shelter and safety. Compared with many pet hamster species, it is more cautious and less common in captivity. In nature, it helps maintain healthy ecosystems by spreading seeds and serving as prey for larger animals. Ciscaucasian hamster. The Ciscaucasian hamster lives in the open grasslands north of the Caucasus Mountains. It spends much of its time collecting seeds and storing food inside its burrow for later use. Although it is not well known outside its native range, it plays an important role in its local environment. Learning about this species helps scientists better understand the diversity of wild hamsters. Mongolian hamster. The Mongolian hamster is a small wild species that lives in Mongolia and parts of northern China. It has adapted to harsh desert conditions by staying active during cooler hours and resting underground when temperatures rise. Its ability to survive in such challenging environments makes it a remarkable animal. Even though it is rarely kept as a pet, it remains an important part of its natural ecosystem.